What's up guys, welcome back to Borch Crypto, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are checking out a publicly traded company that is building the largest treasury for Solana, similar to what MicroStrategy is doing with Bitcoin. These guys are really interesting as well because they have a past that is very different from what they're doing now. They're shifting to a crypto treasury right now, as I mentioned, more than $100 million in Solana, and it is looking really bright for these guys. So we are talking about Upexi, the ticker is UPXI, and they are publicly traded. So as I mentioned, this is something that is happening. A lot of companies are shifting to a more crypto focused approach, and they're focusing on generating revenue thanks to the staking programs available on Solana, for example. So again, they are not a crypto startup, they are not a VC firm. So they started off as a diversified brand and data focused company, but in early 2025 they announced the shift towards crypto. Their press release, Upexi shifts focus into Bitcoin and crypto with a strategic investment in digital currency. But instead of chasing hype, they did something different. They focused on Solana. Why? Because they believe in the lower fees, the explosive developer growth, and where the real DeFi is happening. So this is the website, and here we have the Solana purchase history. So the first purchase happened in May 2025, and as you can see right here, the sold price was $146. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool that you are able to see this information. We can also sometimes even see the price, the amount, they purchased. Quick heads up, if you're into crypto or just getting started, this is worth checking out. I've been using BTCC, and it's honestly a really underrated exchange. They've been around since 2011, so it's not just some sketchy startup or FTX 2.0. It's secure, fast, and it has an amazing rewards program that I think you guys are going to absolutely love. You can get 40 USDT just for passing KYC and making your first trade. That's it, super simple. That's just part of the rewards program that has so many amazing rewards, up to 10,000 USDT. No hardcore trading required. And if you're into futures, BTCC offers up to 500x leverage, so you are able to get a lot of trading volume so you can get these rewards. Keep in mind, as always, more leverage means more risk, so you have to balance that in your favor. Honestly, it's been so smooth to use, great liquidity, fast trades, copy trading, low fees. So if you're thinking about trying a new exchange or thinking about getting into crypto, or maybe just want those $40 they have in the reward system or even more rewards, check out BTCC, links in the description below, go grab it. So here we have the overview. This is the investor deck. It is available on their website, and here we can see some important timeline events. So first of all, February 6th, officially expanding into crypto, revealing the intentions to pursue crypto and fintech opportunities. April 21 raises $100 million, and it announces private placements, of course, from VCs. April 29th, details treasury strategy, states treasury strategy to focus exclusively on Solana. Then May 6th, it begins staking, stakes Solana, and estimates $7 million in annual staking revenue. Again, that's from staking. May 12th, purchase locked Solana, announces $44 million purchase of discounted locked Solana. So this is discounted price from the normal price, market price, but obviously it is locked. May 28th, updates treasury, discloses sold treasury valued at $121 million. So that is a timeline of events expanding into a Solana treasury. As you can see here, they first focused on consumer products like Lucky Tail, Cure Mushrooms, and Prax, and then again they're expanding their focus into crypto and being the world's largest Solana treasury as a publicly traded company. So here we have some example companies like MicroStrategy, Thumbs Up, Mara, Sambler Scientific, Metaplanet, and others. And the triple action is pretty cool because if the digital asset rises, investors may get all of. First of all, the treasury company stock rises with the asset. Second of all, the premium to book value expands. Third of all, more capital issuance increases accretion. So that's the triple action right there. And here we have MicroStrategy showing how this model works. So here you can see the stock performance since August 2020, and you can see right here, the blue line is MicroStrategy. It is beating everything. The S&P 500, Nvidia, Bitcoin, everything. So that's something to notice because obviously these guys want to be the MicroStrategy of Solana in a way. And here we have Solana's overview. So these are really interesting metrics: active addresses going up, daily transactions going up, fees going up, DEX volumes again going up. Solana is where DeFi happens. Solana is where meme coin volume is. Solana is where protocols are made. Of course, there are also a lot of protocols in EVM, but this is kind of where everything is happening. So I think it is a really good choice blockchain to create a treasury on. So here we have the Thesis, provides crypto exposure in a familiar equity security, unlocks significant value using proven capital market strategies, improves on MicroStrategy's playbook with key innovations, capitalizes on crypto's secular expansion and Solana as endgame winner, and supports Solana with improved visibility within traditional finance. So we have more information here on the treasury. As of May 28, there was 680,000 almost Solana valued at $121 million, $25 million in realized gain, 58% locked, 42% spot. And here we can see the treasury growth over time. You can see the amount that's invested and the gain. You can see the gain is already stacking up pretty nicely. You can see the purple right here is all gain. And here we have the Solana purchase history. So April 27th, here we have another purchase, another one here, another one here. Again, this is the discounted price because it was locked. Right, so this is why it's here, I believe. So why Upexi? First of all, top management. So Upexi CEO founded $14 billion XPO logistics. XX have top equities and crypto expertise, backed by the best, supported by 15 prestigious crypto VCs. Various crypto calls are angels, so that's already good news and showing interest from the top players in the game. First mover, Upexi is among the first US listed Solana treasury companies. Cap markets expertise, Upexi has proven capital markets capabilities across equity and debt. Leading connectivity, so Upexi is raising visibility both in traditional finance and crypto investors. Professional operations, Upexi seeks to expand shareholder value in risk-prudent manner. Break-even OPCO, Upexi operations are break-even, enabling raises and staking income to buy Solana. Upexi's OPCO is smaller, enabling the majority of value to come from the treasury. Clean capital stack, rare among NASDAQ small caps. Upexi has a pristine capital stack and minimal warrants. So these are all reasons why you should consider Upexi if you're looking for a publicly traded company that's doing crypto. These guys are again the largest crypto treasury for Solana and being publicly traded and having all of these incredible selling points, which are not to be overlooked. The investor deck is amazing. The website is amazing. You can find so much information right here. And I'm not going to go over every single small detail, but I just want you guys to understand the strategy. So first of all, go big and fast. Upexi raised a $100 million private placement to bootstrap its Solana treasury strategy and quickly and efficiently deployed into Solana. Upexi is targeting additional large-scale accretive capital raises to acquire and hodl as much as Solana as possible. So these guys are not stopping anytime soon. Come with the crypto sphere, so you can see Upexi, again, as I mentioned, is backed by 15 of the top crypto VCs. Upexi maintains relationships with key Solana-focused organizations, including the Solana Foundation, investors offering support via capital, network visibility, and staking. So they have a really nice circle and they are surrounded by the right people. And lastly, Pubco, professionalism. Upexi seeks to max shareholder value in risk-prudent manner. They employ seasoned executives and utilizes operational and risk management best practices like native staking only. That's amazing. Custodian, validator diversity, and prudent leverage. So that's also good news, not doing shady staking. Only doing native. Upexi believes such strategy will resonate with crypto and traditional investors alike. So they are combining DeFi, TradFi, and it's honestly a win-win. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Upexi is currently up 28% year to date, and they have so much ahead. This is a very interesting opportunity, taking into account that Solana right now is not at its highest, and it will definitely go back to all-time highs, at least by the end of the year. That's my opinion. And surely in the future, we're going to be seeing Solana at $300 at some point, and that will mean an insane return on investors, because obviously Solana is not stopping anytime soon. It's the core of DeFi, and it's where the magic is happening. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is not the typical project I bring to you guys, but I think there's also value in publicly traded companies doing corporate crypto. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.